Our Sabbath School lesson for this week, January 10 to 16, 2026 is Life and Death. No? Kabuhi, kamatayon. And our text for this week is found in the book of Philippians chapter 1 verse 21 that says, "For me, to live is Christ and to die is gain." One of the greatest enemy of every living being on this planet is death. You know, many people do not want to die. Amo na nga gabakal kita sa mga vitamins, madala kita sa mga promotion about sa mga ginakaon para nga magbaskog, maglawig ang kabuhi. When we are in the ICU, in the hospital, we have life support. That is why people do everything for them to stay alive. So many people really afraid of death, especially those people who do not have hope found in the Bible. People say that death is just part of life. Really? Is death part of life? But when we review and study about the creation that found in Genesis chapter 1, after God created the world beautifully, there was no mention of death. During the creation, hindi niya upod sa design sa Ginoo nga ang tao mapatay. Death is the result of Satan's deception. Paul understood, we understood, that kung hindi pa magbalik si Jesus, sunod yung mga binunan, sunod yung mga tinuig, then, posible mapatay kita, o posible iban sa aton buhi man pagbalik si Kristo. But the question is, knowing all of this, Apostle Paul chooses to use his life wisely. So samtang buhi kita, paano naton gamiton ining lifespan nga ginhatag sa aton si Ginoo? And you know what Paul did? He preached to many people, and he reached many places. And there were some places that nakalabot ang iyang mga episodes, even those places nga never personally visited, wala gid niya makadtuan, pero nakalabot ang iyang mga sinulatan bisan pa sa atong panahon subong, no? Mga kauturan, friends, life is short, very short. The Bible says that an average lifespan of an individual is only 70 to 80 years. So, kung subong is 43. So, mag 70 years lang aton kabuhi, pila na lang bilin? 27 years. So, anong imuon mo sa 27 years mo nga ikakabuhi diri? No? Ama ka nakalipot sa 27. Next year, 26 years na lang bilin. So, life and death. A life nga ginhatag sa aton sing Ginoo, nagakabuhi kita para sa Dios. Kaya kung mapatay man kita, dapat masapuan kita ang arak ihapon kita sa Ginoo. So the question is, what you are going to do with the years God has given you? This is the introduction of our lesson for the whole week. So tomorrow, we will discuss about Christ will be magnified. Monday, to die is gain. Tuesday, being confident. Wednesday, stand fast in unity. And Thursday, united and fearless. So, kabay pa nga maging matutom kita sa aton pag-worship kada gabi kagaga. Sa tangguwi pa kita, every morning makabugtaw kita. Pasalamatan nato ng Ginoo sa life nga iya ginhatag sa aton. Kay bisan pa kita mamatay, sa puan kita nga matutom kay Kristo.